Waiting we go chop this morning.
Man City better score.
Now Man City we go chop.
Put the ball.
Yeah, pass ball now. Pass the ball.
Sporty bet, don't chop.
Calm down. They can still bring it.
2 hours later.
You don't know why it's going on.
I was wrong. They are not going to bring the light.
My phone is off.
Me too. Mosquito! There you go, up. My phone is dead. Oh my God, nepa, bring the light!
No! Nepa!
You don't know why it's going on.
Who farted? Wasn't me. It was me. There's no light and I'm still farting.
Sorry, no vex.
Up Nepa!
What's
Turn on the TV, turn on the TV, turn on the TV.
Yeah.
Oh my God, they took the light again.
Which can I be this?
Don't know.
Nepa, why now?
Are you sure we are not living in a fire?
How did my life end up in this country? Nepa, why? Nepa.
Up Nepa!
What's wrong with you? Why are you still feeling sad? They've brought the lights now. Come on.
Happiness is only temporary in this country. They may still take the light too.
Them no fit take her. Turn on the TV, let's watch football.
Holds him off, lays it off to De Bruyne, and De Bruyne is advancing, and De Bruyne keeps on going.
Emotional. Jesus Christ! It don't happen. Nepa on the line.
You don't know why it's going on.
Hello, ton generator. No money for fuel. What's him
Show.